I recently moved in, but who else might still have these keys? I need to make my home secure.
Changing locks sounds expensive, and is there a better option? Maybe rekeying is the right solution.
Do you know any good locksmith for rekeying locks?
Yes, contact Onyx Locksmith. They provide dependable and professional service.
Hello, I need Lock Rekeying Service for my home.
Of course, Elisa. We'll send our expert right away.
Hi, Elisa. We're here to secure your home.
They look professional. Thank you for coming so quickly.
We'll rekey your locks so old keys won't work anymore.
That's exactly what I need. That sounds perfect.
We ensure everything is precise and secure.
They are very skilled, and I feel more confident already.
Your locks are now rekeyed. Only these new keys will work.
My home is finally secure, Ava. Thank you. This gives me peace of mind. They did an excellent job. So, thank you for the professional service.
You're welcome, Elisa. Always here to help.
Onyx Locksmith, expert lock rekeying for your safety and peace of mind.